Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can run PUBG Mobile smoothly and better in your phone without any softwares, anything. So let's get started. For this working, you need a game launcher. So if you haven't downloaded it, go and download from the Galaxy Store, which is in Samsung. After you've done that, you need to open the application, which is something like this. So once you have done that, go on the bottom right corner and click on it. After you've gone there, click on PUBG Mobile, and from here you need to adjust your frames per second, your resolution, your performance. So select whatever had done it. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel because your boy needs support, guys. So thanks for watching and peace.